So booking flight tickets with extra baggage is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can book extra baggage with your flight tickets. So for that, you just have to go to any of the browser and type in book extra baggage Emirates. I'm just going to type Emirates, for example, but in your case, you just have to type your airlines, and then you should navigate any of the website. And as you guys can see, I'm at their website. So as you guys can see, save when you buy extra baggage allowance before you check in. You just have to, under this section, you just have to click on manage your booking if you already have made the booking and you want to add extra baggage. But if you don't have any booking and you want to buy extra baggage, you just have to go to the booking section, which is book a flight, book flights, and here you just have to select the information about your booking details. While booking, you will see an option for extra baggage as well. You just have to check that information and they will charge you some extra bucks for that extra baggage. So what are the prices for that extra baggage? If I go back, you guys can see at this page, I can see the prices for all the extra baggage. It totally vary on your region. So that's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.